Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I just received a new range hood. Friends, it's time to see what's in the box, so let's get cracking. Let's start with unboxing. I do want to mention I love that it comes with reinforced corners. That means a lot when you're trying to get something to arrive in one piece. All right. First things first, we have got a large 6-inch vent. We have got a filter. This is if we run it ventless. Of course, we've got packing material. And we've got the extensions. Some sort of mounting apparatus. I'll check that out in the instruction booklet. And this piece of foam is holding the entire thing, so I'm going to move this out of the way and I'll get it up on the workbench so we can take a peek at it. Alright friends, so this was tucked in the side of that piece of styrofoam. I'm going to set it aside, and then also upon further inspection inside the vent tube, I see the remote and the manual. Of course, before you do anything, make sure you stop, read, and test before installing. Of course, you'll find important safety notices, a few more important safety notices, and all the measurements so you know how it's going to fit your area. Note there are a few venting options. You can bend it quick, you can make it go longer, and you can bring it straight up through the roof. There is also a ductless conversion, and I showed you that at the beginning of the unboxing. Of course, there are steps for preparation, and they mentioned that it is excessively heavy. Make sure you're working with 3 or more people to move and install the range hood. Alright friends, so here it is. I have got it flipped up, so we're going to be able to test it. I do want to let you know it has a protective covering, which is awesome, so that you get it to your house without any scratches. Alright friends, so I have peeled off that protective covering. As you can see, there is a cord. I have got it plugged in. Friends, let's power it up. Notice when it first comes on, we've got no fan. We can just tap these buttons to get the fan going. One of the coolest things about this is that it is powerful. There's a lot of air coming out of here, but it has modes that are almost absolutely silent. You can just tap to move them up until you reach the max, and then you reset it. Friends, you can also slide across. Notice that went all the way to 4. Now it's going to go back to 3, to 2, and to 1. It also had a sensor to detect the lights as I went by, which is pretty darn awesome. As you can see, they are LEDs, so they will be efficient, which saves you money in the long run. Friends, I do also want to let you know it comes with a remote. You do have to put the battery in it. Once you've got that, of course, you can turn the lights on. You can turn the lights off. They do take a moment to dim. And then if it's already running, you can turn on the timer. Currently, it's set for 3 minutes. I can switch easily to 6. Notice if you hit timer again, it shuts off. When it first pops on, you can switch to 6, 9, or 1. It's that easy to work with it. Of course, there's also a plus and minus for your fans and your remotes. And then finally, you can just power it off as well. Of course, I do want to remind you to peel off the protective sticker. And of course, make sure you follow all the instructions in the manual as you put your range hood together. Real quickly, I wanted to show you underneath just how awesome this looks. And there you can see inside it has got a huge fan, and yet it is still quiet. And you can also clean these in your dishwasher. Friends, I do also want to remind you that this blue is just a protective covering that you will remove once you get it installed. Friends, there you have it, a quick introduction to the HisoHu 30-inch wall mount range fan. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, don't forget you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.